Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your knowledge with Udemy, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Udemy website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access the full range of courses. Use the search bar to find topics that interest you. Explore categories to discover new subjects. Read course descriptions carefully to understand their content and structure. Check the ratings and reviews for feedback from other learners. Make a list of potential courses you'd like to take. Compare the courses based on their length and level of difficulty. Look for courses that offer a certificate upon completion. Consider enrolling in courses that provide quizzes and assignments for hands-on practice. Once you've chosen a course, click on the Enroll Now button. Take advantage of any discounts or offers available. Begin your course and set a study schedule that works for you. Engage with course content by taking notes and highlighting key points. Participate in discussions and ask questions to enhance your understanding. Complete all quizzes and assignments to test your knowledge. Use the platform's community features to connect with other learners. Revisit challenging sections of the course as needed. Once you finish, reflect on what you learned and how you can apply it. Share your newfound knowledge through projects or discussions. Continue exploring Udemy for more courses to build on what you've learned. Stay curious and keep expanding your knowledge continuously. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.